In this video, I want to show you how to fix middle mouse button not working. So to fix this problem, click on Start, then type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Now expand mic and other pointing devices. Now you will see listed some mouse. Right click on it and click on Update Driver. And restart your PC. Hopefully this easy method will work, and if in case it's not working, so right click here and click on uninstall device. Click on uninstall and after uninstall close it and restart your PC. So this driver will be automatically installed on your PC, and still you are facing this error. So another thing you have to do, click on start and type regedit. Open registry editor. If ask permission, so click on yes. If you will see video like this, so you need to expand HKey current user. HKey current user, and then control panel, desktop. So double click on desktop, and in this list you need to find out wheel scroll lines. You will see wheel scroll lines, so double click on it and make sure value data is 3. If you see not 3, so make 3 here, then OK, and close it and restart your PC. So hopefully friends, by using this two simple method, this mouse error will be fixed. Thanks for watching.